Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entry. I, Deepmani Bharadwaj, welcome you all again, and today on the occasion of Republic Day, we'll be discussing some of the interesting facts regarding it. So we'll be discussing 10 different facts, out of which the first fact is that Purna Swaraj or India's Independence Day was first celebrated on January 26, 1930. Now why I'm saying this? See what happened on 26th Jan in 1929 in Lahore. Congress had its session. See, Congress used to have its session since 1885 when it was first formed. So every year its session used to be held, but something special was going to happen on 26th Jan 1929. And what happened? See, in the session at Lahore, where Jawaharlal Nehru was leading, at that time, first time a resolution was passed, and that was of Purna Swaraj. Fine. And from the next year, on the same day, Congress asked all the Indians to celebrate as its Independence Day. Fine. So before 1950, we used to celebrate it as our Purna Swaraj Day. Fine. And because of this 26th January's importance only, our constitution was started, or our Indian constitution we started to follow on 26th January 1950. Fine. So this is the history about it. So this was our first fact, that we used to celebrate our India's Independence Day on January 26, 1930, or I'll say from January 26, 1930, because at that time in the Lahore a session was held and a resolution was passed for the complete independence from the British rule. Fine. Next fact. Next fact is that the Constitution of India took around 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to be drafted. Now, who was leading it? Who was seeing it? See, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was its head, who was looking after all these things. And when this constitution was being made, our constitution was taken from different countries, in which Ireland is also there, US is also there. Fine. So it took around 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to be drafted. Next. We always think that Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January, and that's right also. But are you aware that Republic Day is actually a 3-day affair which ends on 29th January with the beating retreat ceremony? So actually Republic Day is a 3-day affair. Fine. Next. During the Republic Day parade, a Christian hymn, Abide with Me, is played. Now why is it played? Because this hymn was the favorite of Mahatma Gandhi and everyone knows about him. We call him our father of our nation, isn't it? So Abide with Me is played every year, and this hymn was the favorite of our father of nation. Next. President Sukarno, who was the first head of state of Indonesia, was the chief guest for India's first Republic Day. So every year we know that we call the head of different countries, and if someone asks you who was the first chief guest at our first Republic Day, so he was President Sukarno. Fine. Next. Awards such as Kirti Chakra, Padma Awards and Bharat Ratna are announced on the evening of Republic Day itself. Fine. Next. Prior to the Republic Day, see, we know that why we are celebrating Republic Day, because from this day we started following our constitution, isn't it? But what was happening before 26th January 1950? Because there must be some sort of constitution, isn't it? So what we were following? So this fact is regarding that prior to Republic Day, that is prior to 26th January 1950, the country followed the Government of India Act 1935, which was compiled and laid down by the British government. Fine. So what we were following? We were following Government of India Act 1935. Fine. Next. Now this is quite interesting one. The Indian Air Force came into existence as an independent body on the Republic Day. Fine. Prior to this, the Indian Air Force was a controlled body. Okay. Next, the first Republic Day parade at Rajpath was held in 1955. Next, the Indian Constitution is the longest constitution. If we talk about the constitutions of different countries, then our constitution is the longest constitution amongst all other constitutions. Fine. And let me tell you one more thing about it. Our constitution is written in two different languages, that is Hindi and another one is English. And one more thing is that they are handwritten. Fine. And the original constitution that was made is kept in the library of the parliament, and it is safely stored with the helium over there. That is, it is safe and sound. So these all were the important facts regarding our Republic Day. So please do like this video, comment on it, share as much as possible, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. So thanking you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.